Alright, this is for you, Sarah. And also, I might upload this on YouTube as well. So, I have 2,500 stars. Me and my friend, Sarah, have been talking about BanG, and we talked about our favourites of members, songs, and BanG in general. And then I said to her, hey, I have 2,500 stars. How about if I make another video where you watch it? And then she said, yeah, sure. Do a 2,500 pack opening and I'll watch it. So, that is what I'm doing. We are going to open another 2,500 white time blue equal joy gacha pack. So, now I'm hoping for this one I want a 4-star limited edition member like Chisato and or Otai, for example. That is shown on the screen here. I really want to get their outfits too. I really want to get their outfits. Wait, am I recording? Oh no, I'm not recording. Okay, that's better. Okay, now we are recording. Okay, right. With 25,028. Let's hope for this one we get a 4-star Chisato or Otai. But first, gotta give a shout out once again to Inibon no Kobe. Once again for doing this look of the slide. JoJo Bizarre Adventures, eat your heart out. Here we go. Here comes the look. Okay. Alright. With that out of the way, let's go. And spend 2,500. In 3, 2, 1. Hit it! God damn it. It's a 3-star. It's a 3-star this time. I wonder who we're going to get for a 3-star. So much for the luck of the draw. We've got Misaki, Arisa, Ganon, Maya, Aya, Arisa, Hagami, Karu. It looks like it's going to be 1 3-star. Ran. I think I've got this one. Oh no, I haven't. Oh my god. Winning streak. Akko. Winning streak. And talking about winning streaks, I'm on a winning streak of new cards in a row. Oh yeah, triple. I'm gonna stop. That was a terrible meme. Yeah. 1 new card to bring. And that's this. Winning streak. Akko. Yeah. And you got Kokoro as well, just supporting Akko as well. Yeah. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Okay. Cool. Yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the like button down below. And if you are new to my channel or want to check out more of my videos, then you can by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell for more updating content when I upload my next video. My Twitter page is @ElusiveVal21. My BitTube page is also called ElusiveVal, and My Instagram is FurnaceTom17, but I'm thinking about changing it for the future. And if you want to leave a comment down below in the comment section, you can. Just comment down whatever you desire. Tell me what you got in this gacha pack. And yeah, just let me know. And that is it. So, until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bandori! I wonder if Arco is a Pac-Man person. Wait, I just noticed. She's got a Union Jack t-shirt! Oh! Representing the flag! Or maybe she's an Iron Maiden fan. Because they're from Britain as well. I wonder. Are you an Iron Maiden fan, Arco?